to the mountains.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't.
Currently, I'm in the Rocky Mountains, off trail. Hiking around, doing some exploring. Having a blast. That thing's huge. Wonder if I can get on top.
Lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe
There's trees growing out of the top of this rock.
this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
Tiny crack in the rock. Growing a tree.
One day I'll be yours.
This is where I was standing a minute ago. And I was showing you the size. It's actually pretty nice up here. There's a good breeze. I'm digging it.
In a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons
I found this while I was walking. Is that sus?
from nothing.
I'm just kidding. It's from a cow. Hey, look. More. More rocks. I just want to plug Vans MTE. These things have so much grip. Freaking love them. They're amazing for climbing these rocks. They're so good. Oh, it's a little Christmas tree growing between the rocks. I gotta break these off so when I climb over it, one doesn't go up my butt on accident. That would not be fun. Okay, I think I got it. Ow. Okay, I may have ripped my pants, but that's okay, right? Scarred. It's so nice out here. Just got out talking.
In the last chapter, you gave me the soul I have today. Without you